Hey guys, I got another unboxing. Let's take a look at what came in. Here you go, guys. That's what I got. The WEN sander. All right, I just picked this up from Home Depot. Had it delivered to my house. So right now we're gonna open up, guys, and do a little unboxing. As you can see, I just opened up the top. Just wanted to see what was there initially. So this is my first time opening it. So let's take a look at it and let's see how it is. All right, guys, here you go. Here's again. I had to come inside. Outdoors was just a little too windy, too cold. My workspace, where I'm trying to set up, my workspace is still under construction, so I really don't have any place to shoot. So I brought it in. All right, so this is what we have, guys. We have the WEN 4x36 belt sander with a 6-inch disc. It comes already with the belt sander and the disc already installed, which is a nice to start you off. And so as you can see, we have a power button right there. It comes with the plates. I placed the table. We have the one plate here. Another, we have a belt sander support right here. We have our screws and everything they give you, and the miter gauge. So yeah, so what I'm gonna have to do now, I have to set this up, put the the miter work table on the 6-inch disc area, and then I'll put the work support right here, up here. So there's only a couple of screws you need to do this. To adjust it, you may have to use a wrench, as you can see in the bottom, to adjust the table as far as how close you come to the disc here. So I'll see how that is once I get it on. So I just want to show you guys a little closer up on it. There's another look in the back here. You have your dust port right here. As you can see, you got your gauge right here. Excuse me. So I really like how this looks. Looks like, I like how this is made as opposed to when at Harbor Freight. You know, not saying Harbor Freight is much better or this is better in it, but I just like how it looks, the aesthetics of it. And that's it. So that's why I decided to go with this. Don't know how it's gonna operate. It's gonna be, but by all accounts and other reviews, it looks pretty good. It's gonna do the job. All right, so let me continue on. Let me get the mounting plate on, and we'll take a look at it after I'm done. All right. All right. When you set up the work. Okay, guys, as you can see, I got the table hooked up too. And again, when you hook it up, it goes in that little hole there, and then this little screw, and then you can adjust it as such, and or whatever angle you need it to be. Um, so and that's pretty much it. It's not really nothing too complicated. So let me hook up the other table and then come back to this and show you, right? Okay, guys. Now for the work support, um, which is going to be this little table right here, it's going to go set up as such. All right. On this side, you got the two holes right here, and they give you two screws just to put in there. So I'm gonna set that up right now and get that installed. And that's the work support for this top piece here, guys. As you can see, right here, you have two screws to give the hex wrench, and just pretty much just tighten it in. It's nothing complicated about it at all. It's very simple. So and that's for your work stop right there. So this is the look of it. Looks like it's very well made. I like how this looks and how it's made as opposed to one in Harbor Freight. I'm not saying anything bad about Harbor Freight, but this one for the price looks pretty decent. All right, so let's go back all around. All right, and that's how it looks. This is your tension gauge right here, as far as some tension you put in on the belt. Try this there, guys. I also picked this up at Amazon, a little T-square. So when I start doing the woodwork, everything's gonna be square. I see a lot of videos out there. You can make your own out of wood or what have you, a good piece of wood. I just found these were very reasonable. I picked up two of them. Eventually I'll make my own, but I want something that will never bend, nothing that will ever be compromised. And having a nice steel one, I think is much ideal. All right, so it's called a 3D square. So something I will highly recommend. Again, I'm new to woodworking. I'm not a professional or something, a hobby I consider to pick up. I'm picking up now. But I like to have the best tools to help me get my job done properly. So I saw these, they was reasonable. I think it was like $17 a piece, not bad, and they'll last forever. So I'm gonna put this on here and adjust it for square. And tell you the truth, right there. Right there. Now a square right there. So that's right. That's simple. Now my table is square to my disc. So when I sand something down, it'll be nice and level on that end. And that's it, guys. It's really nothing to this thing. It's a very simple machine. And again, I like the design. This is inside here, over here is metal, but the outside here is plastic. All right. I guess to help keep the weight down. But the look at it, I really like how it looks. And it's about, I think about 46 pounds this thing is. And yeah, that's it. I wish I can say anything different, but I like how it looks. You got your Got the miter gauge here, so if you need to miter anything, you can do that. Aluminum. Actually, as you can see, this miter is bent. If you can see this, I just noticed that this came bent, which is not a good look. So it's not a big deal. I'm gonna call Home Depot, let them know that this is bent. Actually, I called the 100 number. They'll probably just send me another one without sending everything back. But yeah, this is bent. This came shipped bent, so that's no good. So, which is not again, it's not something that's I'm really worried about. It's just a aluminum bar cut, so it's not a big deal. But I'm definitely gonna talk to Home Depot, let them know that this is bent and they need to send me another one. So, but overall, other than that being bent, I like how this look. Once I start using it, I'll come back with another video, let you know my opinion of it. But just right now, it's just an unboxing, let you see what you get. All right. So, like this channel, guys. Again, I'm just a ordinary guy who try to save some money to looking for reasons to buy toys. And again, due to the construction that's going on in my house, I'm doing certain work on my own. It's just another reason to buy a toy. So just boys and their toys. So you guys enjoy your rest of the day. Stay tuned for other unboxings. I got a lot of other tools coming in, and I'm gonna be profiling a lot of other photo equipment. I'm also a professional photographer now, so I got a lot of equipment I'm gonna be profiling, giving my opinion, things I've been using for a while, and just gonna share my experience about it. So, all right, so that's it, guys. Enjoy. Like the video. Leave any comments, any questions. Please subscribe to the channel, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.